In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change size of button to Webflow. First, open your Webflow project and make sure you're on the designer canvas. Locate the button you want to resize and click it on the page so it's clearly highlighted. When the element is selected, head to the right-hand sidebar and expand the full controls if they're collapsed by choosing Show All Settings. We'll work entirely from the Style panel, so confirm you're in the Style tab. In the Style panel, find the Size section. This is where you control width, height, and related constraints. Click into the width field and decide how you want the button to size. Fixed values like 200 px are great for very consistent layouts, while percentage values like 100% let the button adapt to its parent container. Next, set the height field if you need a taller or shorter button. Often, height can stay on auto, and you can increase the button's visible size with padding instead, but a fixed height can be useful for perfect uniformity. If you see unit toggles while you're editing, feel free to switch between px, %, VW, or other units to match your layout needs. You can also use min and max settings to prevent the button from getting too small or too large as the layout responds. Open Overflow, if it's available, and set it to hidden to prevent text or icons from spilling outside a tightly constrained button. Then click More Size options to reveal additional sizing behaviors. Choosing Auto tells Webflow to let the content define the size, which is excellent when you plan to control space using padding and typography. You may notice preset aspect options in some interfaces, things like anamorphic 2.391, Univisium, Netflix 2.1, widescreen 16.9, landscape 3.2, portrait 2.3, and square 1.1. Clicking through these can help you preview constrained shapes, but for most buttons, you'll return to Custom so you can dial in exactly what you need. Back on Custom, refine your width and height with the values that best fit your design. If you want the button to stretch to the full width of its container, choose Fill Where Available. Otherwise, set width to 100% to achieve the same effect. Give the button a quick look on the canvas to confirm that the label remains readable and that spacing feels balanced. When everything looks right, click Publish to push your changes live. Pro tip: after publishing, quickly review the button on a few breakpoints to ensure your width, height, and overflow choices read well on mobile.